he almost got me there.
Wow, is that a black rose? A blue lotus? Wow, how beautiful! They are, but there's something I don't have. Something very beautiful. I dream of it all day long. What is it? Orchids. You get them far away in the mountains. I shall get Chutki her orchids. That's a promise.
Huh? What do you want, little fellow?
Orchids.
But you can't go in there. Don't you see that sign over there?
All right.
It's been a week already.
Maharaj, we've looked for him everywhere. We searched in the forest too, but we can't find him.
But
Orchids? Don't worry, Chutki. We'll look for him together. Come. Hello?
Are you children here on a picnic? Can't you see the sign? Huh?
We are here looking for our friend Raju.
Know him. He had come here looking for the orchids.
He must be all alone. Please help us.
All right, if you insist.
Raju, are you all right?
I came here looking for orchids, but I fell into this hole.
I think we should leave this place quickly.
Look, he's back!
Let him come here. Looks like he's in a bad mood. Wait for my signal and run as fast. Whoa, he almost got me there.
Oh no, I dropped the flowers.
What happened? Why are you running away? He just wants to give you a gift. He thought that you people would harm Raju, so he was fighting it out.
Not a monster?
No, that's utter nonsense. This myth is to save the only Yeti of the world. He has got a small gift for you.
My master has ordered that by sunrise tomorrow morning, this kingdom should be handed over to him without any opposition. My master Kirmada is very forgiving and takes pity on all those who accept defeat.
When the sun rises tomorrow, as always, Dholapur and its people will still be free, standing proudly and remain united. Now you may run back to your master and give him our message.
Go stand over there. I would prefer to fight this battle with your Maharaj.
But to do that, you will first have to kill me. And besides, to fight a king, one must also be a king, not a coward like you.
This is no ordinary child.
You can't do it.
What can't I do?
Sword fighting.
Thank you so much for reminding me. I'm going to kill you with your own sword. Come on, we must play this game a little while longer.
Now flap your brand new wings and see the tricks we can do. Away we go!
Attack them!
Raju here! Take this! Kill the monster!
Yes! We are losing too many of our soldiers.
I can't believe my eyes. What happened to my magic? Is this your idea of fighting? Taking unfair advantage of your opponent?
Admit defeat.
No. You are on a horse while I'm not. We're not on an equal footing, and that is not fair.
Go, my friend.
Very good.
Don't give him a chance. Don't give him a chance.
As you can see for yourself, little boy, the tide of the battle has turned.
You have not fought honestly. You have captured my Maharaj dishonestly.
Listen, I have never fought an honest fight ever in my life. And now, if you don't mind, hand over your sword to me, please. Oh, yes. Do give me your wonderful sword. Like I have heard it said, that you only obey the one who has the power to hold you in his hands.
You cannot escape my clutches now, Fatso.
It's you who would have to escape my clutches. You rather go back to your planet, alien. Understand?
Huh? How dare you? It's time you taste your own medicine.
Medicine? Is it a sweet syrup?
Come on. Why did you have to spoil the fun? My alien was just about to capture all the Earthlings, you know?
And you think my soldier would have allowed that?
Alien.
Soldier.
My alien would have surely knocked him flat.
My soldier would have ground him to dust.
Oh, is it?
I'm having a splitting headache. Listen, you please.
Listen, you are under my control now. You got that? Arrest Bhim and hand him over to me.
Yes, sir. Your wish is my command.
What a fool! Totally worthless as a king.
Bhim, what exactly are you doing?
I'm putting up a setting for a Ram Leela. Ram Leela is the story of Ram's life and how the good defeated the evil and strife. To stay true to his father's promise, goes to exile in a forest. Accompanying him was Sita and Lakshman loyal, leaving behind the pleasures of a palace royal. But the evil Ravan had a plan sinister. He took away Sita to his Lanka. Ram gave him a chase.
I'll pull the curtains to his dreams of being a hero. I'll first scare the wits out of Raju.
A snake? I'll get you. Help us!
Raju? Are you the great?
Yes, I am Hanuman, friends.
Hanuman? Pranam.
Well, my friends, accept my pranam too. You have indeed staged a wonderful Ram Leela.
Bhim? Welcome, welcome.
Guards, arrest them all right now.
What?
Remove all these awful decorations.
Well, send all the friends of Bhim into the prison and hand over Bhim to me right away.
Bhim, look over there.
I see. So that's the cause of all this.
Oh!
Beam! Beam! No, don't hit me! Don't hit me! Ow!
Thank goodness you're back to your senses.
My lord, you were trapped by the magic of this new minister.
Throw this crook into a dark prison right now.
Hey, I'm a minister! Don't you touch me! Don't you dare!
Good. The traitor has been put away. We are safe now.
Your Majesty, what brings you here?
I've decided to keep this crook right under my supervision so that he doesn't get to do any more of his tricks.
I would rather stay here!
Oh, really? What's this thing?
My cracker tanker? Yes! Just tweaked it around a little bit. Aren't you impressed, Professor? Let's try this bomb on the king. Woohoo!
Stop all this! Makki Choose and you can never ever win against us.
And may I know who's going to stop me? You piddly little kids! I'm going to be the ruler of Dholakpur very soon!
Don't lose hope.
Raju, Jagu.
Diwali is such good fun!
You coward! Come down and fight if you have the guts.
Why should I? When I can sit up here and coolly finish you all!
Now let's relax and watch them struggle. Hey, you, move away! Well done! Let's see what a hero can do now. Time for our revenge! Come on, guys! Climb up here! Quick, quick, quick!
Wow, Appu! That was really brave of